Welcome to Head to Head, where we pit two of the most popular and highly sought-after sports cars against each other in a battle for supremacy. Today, we have the all-new 2022 Porsche 911 GT3, a car that's built for pure performance, and the 2022 Nissan GTR, a car that's known for its incredible speed and handling. First up, let's talk about performance. The 911 GT3 is powered by a naturally aspirated 4.0-liter flat-six engine that produces 502 horsepower and 346 pound-feet of torque. It's also equipped with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which helps it accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. On the other hand, the Nissan GTR is powered by a 3.8-liter V6 engine that produces 565 horsepower and 467 pound-feet of torque. It's also equipped with a 6-speed dual-clutch transmission, which helps it accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds. So when it comes to straight-line acceleration, the GTR has the edge. However, the 911 GT3 is no slouch, and it's more than capable of holding its own on the track. Next up, let's talk about fuel efficiency. Both of these cars are meant to be driven hard, so it's no surprise that they're not exactly fuel sippers. However, the 911 GT3 does have an advantage in this department. It has a fuel economy rating of 16 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway, while the GTR has a rating of 16 mpg in the city and 22 mpg on the highway. When it comes to safety features, both of these cars are equipped with a suite of advanced technologies that are designed to keep you and your passengers safe. The 911 GT3 comes with a rear-view camera, front and rear parking sensors, and adaptive cruise control, while the GTR comes with a 360-degree camera system, rear cross-traffic alert, and blind spot monitoring. Now let's move on to the interior and exterior design. The 911 GT3 has a sleek and sporty design that's instantly recognizable, with a long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a host of advanced technology features, including a touchscreen infotainment system and a digital gauge cluster. The GTR, on the other hand, has a more aggressive and futuristic design, with a large grille, bulging fenders, and a sleek roofline. Inside, you'll find comfortable leather seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and a host of advanced technology features, including a touchscreen infotainment system and a digital gauge cluster. So when it comes to interior and exterior design, it's really a matter of personal preference. Some people might prefer the classic look of the 911 GT3, while others might prefer the more futuristic design of the GTR. Now let's talk about price. The 911 GT3 starts at around $157,000, while the GTR starts at around $113,000. That's a pretty significant difference in price, so it's worth considering if you're on a budget. Finally, let's talk about maintenance. Both of these cars are high-performance machines, so they'll need regular maintenance to keep them running at their best. However, the 911 GT3 does have a reputation for being more reliable than the GTR, which means you might end up spending less on maintenance over the long run. So, which one of these cars comes out on top? It's really hard to say, as both of these cars have a lot going for them. The 911 GT3 is a purebred sports car that's built for performance, while the GTR is a speed demon that's equally at home on the track or the open road. In terms of the speed of taking off and stopping, both of these cars are equally impressive. The 911 GT3 can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, while the GTR can do it in 2.9 seconds. And when it comes to stopping, both cars are equipped with powerful brakes that can bring them to a halt quickly and efficiently. Ultimately, the choice between these two cars comes down to personal preference. If you're a fan of traditional sports car design and want a car that's built for performance, then the 911 GT3 might be the right choice for you. On the other hand, if you want a car that's packed with advanced technology and has an aggressive and futuristic design, then the GTR might be more up your alley. So which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more comparison videos in the future.